yung laro niya sa ating unang laro ngayon.
Charlie, nakita natin ang storyline up front, right there on screens. No? At mapapansin natin, yung dalawang opposing Asian imports, hindi.
Right ang kanyang tira. Here come the balls. Alapag. Back to door. 3 on the way. He can't get it to go. And another rebound. Dillinger pushes it up. Alapag. Dinala sa may kanan, sa gitna. Bounce to Nabog. Ito, layup lang ang ginawa. Kala ko dalang. It's a big game for them.
Yes.
Lalo na pag nagkahabol sila at kailangan nila ng 3-point shot.
And here, Jimmy Alapag has his third three-point shot.
Biglang nag-turn up na rin ang depensa ng Meralco Bulls all of a sudden after the lead had been cut to 1.
Grabe din yung ginawa ni Simon and Caesar. Paubos na yung oras, kaya yung pinasa.
Does not work. Hodge with yet another rebound. Naghahabol siya, siya nakakadalawa na. Last game, 5 lang ang nadugod niyang rebound. Nice pick and roll. And then the kick to Newsom. Perimeter jumpers out. Eximiniano. Grabe yung point guard rotation ni Coach Alex. Kahit sino, quality maipapasok both on offense and defense.
And he has a lot of two guards also. And nakita mo, JV Casio is ready to get in.
Newsom to Jimmy. Buenafe for 3. He buries that long one. Bumalik na nga si JV Casio para dito naman kay RJ Azul. So it is Casio with Eximiniano, Meng, De La Cruz, and Henton trying to stop etong sina Alapag, Durham, Hodge, Newsom, and Buenafe. Newsom trying to light it up. Aksak si De La Cruz sa rebound play. They have yet to taste the lead ni hindi pa sila nakakatabla ngayong linggo. Alapag, will he tie it up? He bounces to Durham. Back to Jimmy. And Durham, two-man game para sa Meralco. Oh! Aaron Durham wanted. Will look to attack. Henton puts it on the deck. Nakatawan itong si Ladonte. Back-iron nga ng tinamaan. Short step niya. At the other end, Hodge touches it over to Newsom. Gets the basket. Make a samabang selfie expert.
Probably hindi pa na-establish na lahat that Denton can shoot it from outside. That's why rotation was late.
Alapag bounces to the corner. Baseline jumper and Newsom could not deliver. Durham underneath. Bugnat on bat.
Aces, para daw nasa roller coaster sila defensively no first half. Inconsistent. Pero gusto nga nila maging consistent siya sa depensa niya. Lalong-lalo na doon sa kanilang magpe-press. They understand the Meralco Bulls would have their...
Hodge back to Newsom. Now Bugnatan is trying to attack. All kinds of time pa naman natitira sa shot clock ng Meralco. Now it's winding down to 5. Alapag to Newsom for the long one. Robinson and Robertson.
Napasok ko sa kanyang kulog na kanina. Whatever it was. Alam mo, at saka hindi talaga sila related. Dahil yung mga relatives ni Benito nasa New York o taga-Michigan. Alam ko yun, nakita ko na yung mga kapatid niya doon sa New York.
As Kelly Nabong hits from... Hindi naman ang depensa ng Katropa. Alapag looking to set this one up. He launches from the left wing. Jimmy bites it up. At it goes into the defense of Meralco.
Block there by Durham at the end of the day.
Alapag pushing it. Hodge nilipad. Left-handed pick and roll is good para sa board. Alapag pushing it once again, 4 on 3. He goes to the left side. Hodge already with 4 points. Takes it inside. He's got 6 in total. So Meralco would have a chance to inch closer. Kala mga Meralco very early in this game, 3-2, but it's been all TNT since. Alapag jumps it over to Hodge, and Lift will get that layup. Could not ring the bell. Alapag pushing it. Pupunta siya dito kay Newsom.
You know, with Ronnie Bell, you're not getting no layups.
Alapag with the letter. Dito kay Dillon. Durham. Double team. Alapag trying to decide what to do. Nakakita ng crack sa depensa si Jimmy.
Left here.
Durham to Alapag. Thought about the 3, tries closer, bounces to Durham. Jimmy wanting to get his imports offense going here. Jimmy will push it the other way. Alapag once again, all the way, and then drops it off. Nabong with a gimme.
but ang galing pumasa niya. The way he can make people come to him, attract him. Oh,
Ayun na naman, kay Jimmy na naman galing yan to.
ano niya, nabawi niya yung...
Durham on the move. Jimmy for three. Punches it through. Underneath it is Castro who misses. Jimmy na naman. Coming from Nabong, 3-on-2. Jimmy, no looks to Durham. That should be assist number 7 for the Mighty Mouse. At ng PBA, maging Asia-wide talaga tayo.
I think we're really well known as far as that is concerned. No?
Of course, dahil na rin. Mabula ang Kidas program who has been succeed. Turnaround jumper, wala. Jimmy catches this one. Jimmy leading the attack sa kabila. Hodge all the way.
For this guy that...
By Durham. Castro using his speed. Huli ni Allen on the recovery. Jimmy at the other end to Newsom down the lane. Chris Newsom will deliver the scoop.
Jimmy.
And here comes Jimmy. Alapag will fake. Hugnatan will launch. Reynolds delivers from deep.
At ang bilis mag-adjust ng coaches, ano?
Exactly.
Ang bilis. At, alam mo, hindi natutulog yung mga yan. Lalo na yung mga katabi ni Norman Black, yung katabi ni Egger. Hindi na natutulog yan.
Mga sanay-san yun eh. Sanay sa walang tulugan. From statistics to everything that they can find ways to win. Ang hirap, Seb, because you have to rely on so many things. Not only on video and statistics as well.
Samantala, Durham gets it to go. And I think Joel Pornbrook yelling at his bench. He has already called for Bo Belga to make his first appearance in the game. Durham hooks it outside. Hodge, Alapag, Newsom open.
Ulit. So he really spent the long break maximizing his time. He spent it preparing for this game, building his confidence once again. And with the way he started this game,
Really see that everything
Good
really
point.
has to
Very good
start in their defense.
You know, Yang Yang has always hollered at his teams to run. Pagurin natin yan.
It's just so easy. Right there, may natumbang isa. There's 10 points in previous 2 losses. But what did Coach Norman do? He decided to go exclusive on Durham to get his game going, his confidence going sa simula pa lang ng laro, which he did.
Alapag launches. Got it. Divide. A 3-point shot. And when that...
Meralco.
Second time for them to establish a 21-point lead. Now if it goes, it's the biggest. Here comes Alapag. Tingnan in front of him. Jimmy wisely waits for a chance to reset the offense. Patay sa poste ang Reynolds. Papunta kay Durham eh.
Yes, and well, right now, nag-switch target din si Bo Belga. Still, na kaya niyang makipagbanggaan dito kay Durham. Durham gets it. There was the contact. Rolls out for Allen Durham and he'll go to the line. And Durham...
Tumutukod yung dalawa dahil napapagod din. So kailangan na contribution from everybody. Charlie.
Thanks a lot, Reese. Well, yun na nga. 0 and 4. So, lahat ng classic formula pwede subukan dyan. And more production from everybody for appreciated. Almost scored kay Semerat. One more time from that right side. Ayun, kumama naman. Matabi ng board. Alapag to the cutting. Newsom finds Found on the run. What a play run by the Meralco ball. Semerat, one more time. This one rolls off. Alapag waiting for guys on the wings. Newsom is there to Durham! Now si Terence Romeo yung tres. Gets it right back. Lead is up to 12 once again, 58-46. Brian Paunda naman. Nothing there, the two big guys couldn't get the offensive rebound. They're going the other way quickly. Shovel pass, goes to Durham, tag for the three-point play. Jimmy Alapag, breaking Durham on the run. So Romeo decides to let fly from 3. Masyado malakas, good line, but too strong. Alapag to the cutting Durham. Durham will go up, from the contact, and get the hoop. Kramer. Sorry agad. Quickness. At
against Buena Fe. That's what I was talking about. You know, because kanina si Cliff Hodge yung nandun, able to help out and even switch sometimes. It is a harder match para sa Meralco Boys.
Durham, napunta kay Paundo to Jimmy. Jimmy the shot to Paundo. Can he complete? Yes, he does! 14 ang global the ball in play para sa kanyang koponan. Wasn't successful, but you like the effort. Now back on defense. Alapag, around the screen. Go to Durham, why not? Ayan na, dadakdak sana. Pero may challenge upstairs from
Great defense by Cliff without fouling. It is challenging him up to the air.
Another one of those guys who fouled out in the last ball game. Durham in the lane. Wanted to dunk it, pero may goaling interference. Binabaan na lang. The PBA and college as well. How do you feel for this?
Well, you know, my prayers and of course, you know, my wishes for a quick recovery for JP. Kagaya na nasabi,
Numero na lumalabas sa stat sheet na titimbang yung kanyang halaga sa koponan nila dahil yung loose ball recoveries niya, yung mga dive sa sahig para lang ma-preserve yung possession. Yan ang nagagawa ni Cliff Hodge. Pero yan ang nagagawa.
katabi naman niya yung referee.
So, niya nag-step to twice bago siya nag-settle sa dribble. Jimmy just hit a 3 a while ago. Ngayon, drive naman. Easy layup. And just like that, para sa kanya, just didn't want to drop.
He had the right intention, pero yun nga lang. Breaks, hindi pumasok.
Tapos, titira ka ng ref ni Jimmy. Started wearing a face mask from the 3rd game onwards. It affected him at first, pero ngayon, naka-recover na yata siya. 55 na last game. 3 from Cliff Hodge. Bounces long. The rebound, nakuha pa ni JD. Jimmy to JD. And he lays it in right before the halftime buzzer sound. Pero even during, ang dami na dito sa mga players natin. May mga businesses on the side. And they're dabbling in other disciplines, not just in sports. And a lot of them are, of course, into health and fitness as expected. And that's good. Diba? Kasi nga,
Professional athlete. Pero dito, as usual, yung Meralco, yung ball movement nila is still very impressive. Samantalang sa Blackwater, hindi relying on a lot of movement.
Absolutely no defense on the basket. Jason Milano, 4 points na rin sa laban na ito.
So kahit paano naman lumaban dito eh. Hindi naman the biggest lead so far in the game is being Blackwater is really slugging away.
Kalinabong gets it in the lane. Mintes, pero ano na naman. Ang second chance, try to challenge Milano. Picks it up, labas muna kay Jimmy Alapag. Reset the offense. Jimmy makes his move. He's in the paint. Leaves it for Alan Durham. Nawala na nga sa kanya yung bola. Natapik pa ng fingertips niya into the hoop.
Right now, pinapatch up nila ito, but this will need stitches. Pero after the game, but he won't be back sa larong ito, Charlie.
Maraming salamat kay Apple David. And, well, yung Frank Gold na nga. The business head of that powerful L. Then gets to go, and Durham's guys for the rebound. Alapag, stumap and pop. He hits the 3 in transition. That's brought to us by Oppo F1S.
Nakita itong si Newsom on the run. Newsom to the corner. Jimmy, bullet pass to Hugnatan.
He was pushed, so he will go to the free throw line. But you know, Jimmy's not even looking at the basket.
1 attempt though so far. 48-47. It is Star by 1. Just over a minute remaining sa ating first half. Kapusyaw, tatapisan yata. Alapag pitches it out. Durham will throw it down. Sa unang 5 nakatalo sa kanila maka-triple tie. Kasi mababa yung losing quotient nila doon. As Alapag gets his first basket in the game. Nice unselfish.
Guys?
Well, syempre nakakaano na si Norman because they had a big lead and they just stopped scoring. They got rattled by the calls of the referees. They weren't being given anything.
Baroga did not deliver.
Durham has been clearing the boards, but he hasn't been scoring much. Siya umaatake na mabuti.
Alapag for 3. Punches it through. Here comes Alapag the other way. Meralco down by 9. Jimmy lost his dribble. Hugnatan going to Durham. Jimmy is open.
It's a lesson learned.
Warning for delaying the game, so it is the Star Hotshots up by 2. Hodge may tangan ng bola. Alapag on the move for the three.
They just took over this fourth quarter.
Hindi mabawi ang kalamangan. Meralco on the move. Newsome rushing to Jimmy once again.
Yeah. Oh, and he fell down too.
Jimmy Alapag lighting it up.
4 3-point shots in the fourth quarter. University of the East.
Oh, pag hindi nyo pa nasagot yun.
I think.
Oo.
Medyo kasi nahawakan ko yan. Not in the sense na nasa team, but he played under me when I was taking care of the league.
Here's Faundo. Next on assist from Jimmy Alapag. Itis ngayon sa tira at Alapag will lead this break. Chance to pad the lead para sa Meralco Bolts. And Jimmy! Oh, good! 3-point shot brought to you by him. Just misses. Alapag directing this fast break. Kick out to Newsome, but good transition defense para sa Mahindra. Here's the Mighty Mouse. Beating Dillinger. What a pass! What a finish!
Great first round. Last touch shot. Last touch shot kasi Aguilar. Oh, nice pass. On the man. Pasok ni Alapag. Kinounted pa ni Jimmy.
Taha, bibigay kay Raymond Aguilar. Adjusting in midair. Durham with a stop. And that 3-point shot earlier was brought to you by Oppo F1S Selfie Expert. Oh, Durham all the way.
And the foul by Aguilar, the last bet.
Dr. J.
Even for announcers.
Oh, yeah. Worst nightmare natin yan, Dr. J. As Ramos tries to get in court. Meralco on the move. Alapag to Newsome. Long two. Friendly bounce for Newsome. But Calanza couldn't put it away.
Well, that's a selfish basketball.
Passing, nahanap agad yung open shooter.
Some good spacing also.
Newsome open for mid-range and knocks it down.
Everybody sucks.
Cliff Hodge coming a big defensively. Bola ulit nasa kamay ni Jimmy Alapag. Kakailangan ni kanyang heroics dito sa larong ito. Alan Durham with a 12 and a finish.
It was a two-man game. White was intercepted and read well by Alan Durham.
Taken away sa unang possession pa lang at sugod dire-diretso sa basket. Brian Faundo.
Hindi kayo makakasagot, hindi kayo mananalo ng 3,000 pesos.
That time a terrible succession para dito sa Mahindra. 18 footer coming from that deep.
Jimmy Alapag for 3. Bang!
Masakit eh, di ba? You throw away the ball sa Meralco boss. That's why deadly sila eh.
Alam mo, Jolly, ang pumapatay dito sa Mahindra is the deadly 3-point shooting ng Meralco Bolts sa second quarter.
Open court naman.
JD! Yes!
Wow. For the 15 points lamang. That's why they are in this ball game at it.
This quarter is brought to you by Cobra Energy Drink. Kung meron ka nito, wala kang talo. Alapag start. Newsome now sa may labas. Finds Jimmy. They might be well served by going to Durham once again and just let him decide again.
Making some very good decisions. Durham.
Another 3-pointer para sa Meralco. The lead is just ballooned. So many players here today and sabi mo, wala yung spark dun. Jimmy Alapag here to just finish off the opponents.
Makikita mo, yung particular punch sa depensa nila, it's not stopping, di ba? Still getting a 50-50 ball. On the other,
tuloy.
You gotta love players like that.
Oh, definitely. And Norman Black, getting his charges. Ubus na muna talaga tayo ng oras. Take a shot at the last minute.
Point shot definitely deadly para sa TNT when it is on.
That was a good play by TNT. Yung dribble drive offense and the kick out to the corner
Durham to the cup.
of Meralco. And, you know, it takes a good coach like John Wichico to make sure that he has the good rotation para ma-exploit niya yung kanyang depth.
As Durham sends it. Sasali nila si Dillinger sa kanilang diskarte rito. Newsome from the left side trying to take the Ocampo out the dribble. Newsome on the attack. Over to Alapag, for to shoot. Jimmy's got to make something happen. Jimmy puts it up and sends it home. As TNT is up by 3, 41-38. 2-minute warning has been announced para sa ating first half. Jimmy launches it. Bang!
Again off that TNT zone defense.
5 points so far para kay Jason.
Certainly not a good scoring night. I think Meralco's done a good job defending him. But again, you ask the question, no? Yung TNT, sa dami na ng 3-pointers dito, they're up by only 2 points so far. There's the outside shot. Galing kay Durham. Dandy. Ryan Reyes still on the sideline, not able to play. Could be an injury that he suffered in the first half.
Jimmy with a flyby. Pero pinasa muna sa lob. Dillinger finally para dito kay Jared.
Power move coming from Hammonds, this time doing it on the reverse. But the strength that he has in going strong towards the basket, ang hirap tigilin. Durham from the outside, yes! At least in the first quarter. I think medyo nagulat sila sa big lineup na pinakita ni Coach noong Black Soul Pizza. I don't think they expected that kind of a lineup. And quickly, no, Meralco was able to establish control of the boards because of that. Alapag with a jumper. 3. No. Nice rebound by Nabo. Jimmy drops. Uloan from the outside. Yes. Big point shot. Taking charge, without a doubt. So Jason Castro, better than 10 points. 6 of those coming here in the second period. Alapag goes inside, finds JD. JD's going to be fouled. They find Alapag. Shot clock at 9. Nice look. From nothing inside. Extra pass there from Hudson. Yun ang sure seal. He was cracked. He was too low. Alapag hasn't missed from the floor. He's going 5 out of 5, along with 3 assists. 16 points. That's a new conference high para kay Jimmy.
Durham dribbles away from a double team. Durham ulit from Jimmy. The towering jumper from Allen is good.
Ang galing rin ang vision niya.
Look at Jimmy elude everybody.
And fish for the foul.
Tatlo yung inigutan dun.
Alam mo, nakakatawa yun si Joe. Really playing better than their import scoring-wise. No, offensively, he's playing much better. But Kelly has always been a big-time scorer in the past.
Tandaan natin, former MVP din to, Doc.
Yeah.
As Jimmy, isang former MVP din. The Pomelo Orange and Grapes. Also available in 500 ml and 1.5 liters. Newsome from the outside makes it another. Ganun lang, lamang na naman ang PNP 64-63. Halos nangangalahati na ang ating third quarter. Newsome almost lost it. Okay. Jimmy for 3.
Yes.
4 away.
Just got out of the way.
John the attack, back to Jimmy, long 3. Jimmy from Jimmy Country. Up here with Matt Canuelas Rosser on the floor for the first time. They drop down to a 2-3 zone with Bonacher, De Ocampo, Hammonds, and Tautua. Durham coming over to meet that pass. Hammonds right on top of him. Durham's got to go. 5 to shoot. Durham up, under, not even. Jimmy launches it. Bang!
That's why you bring him in. But Jong is not going to call a timeout because Jimmy
has been successful not making him spin na hindi siya makakuha ng buwelo.
Ganun ang series. Kung anong nakikita mo sa first game, you can adjust from game to game.
Tsaka small adjustments na lang yan, Charlie. You know, little things to you give shots sa kanyang back spasms. He's able to recover.
May specialty nitong si Madani. Scoring talaga. No matter how he wants to get points on the board. Well, Nabong 2 jumpers na. Under a minute to go. First half action. Alapag. Ginamit ang screen ni Durham. Balik kay Allen. That's a 3 on the way. Long 2 lang. Sabi ng ating it up. Changes direction.
You like how Ryan Reyes did not pull the trigger, but good steal by the Meralco Bolts.
At umalo yung play.
Durham with a step to the left. Jay, no. Newsome to Jimmy. Paundo from 17 feet. That's good. Rest of his bolts.
last shot time. Pero may fouls to give pa rin dito ang Ginebra.
Hugnatan mula sa kanan. 8 to shoot. Jimmy swings it around. Durham attacking Kagiwa. Flips it up and in. And that'll bring Meralco para sa Meralco for this third quarter. Will Jimmy take it?
They gotta go.
Jimmy. Duhog Nathan for the three. Bam!
Ooh, what a big three-point shot, huh? Titignan.
Alapag. Mercado for three. Di makabawi. Pagkakataon na Meralco, makatabla na naman dito. Jimmy launches it. Bam! Jimmy Alapag. Only the fourth point para kay Sol, pero that gives him never a 6-point lead. Jimmy to the cup.
If they think he's slow, they have something else.
And over to LA. Down the baseline he goes. LA misses. Rebound para dito sa Meralco. Durham pushing hard, 3-on-1. Jimmy goes reverse. What a move by the Mighty Mouse. With Thompson, Newsom coming out. Over to Durham. 14 to go para sa Meralco. Jimmy kicks it over. Hook Nathan for three. No! Battle for the rebound, picked up by Newsom. Jimmy for the lead. No! Jimmy ties Kaitik for the all-time three-point list, but more importantly, he gives Meralco a 1-point lead. Doing what he does best, Jimmy coming up clutch once again. Almost the same spot where Jimmy Alapag hit that magical shot over Korea, just a